My name is Cassandra Corgi with Spch 1311, and did you press play? Okay. And I have two audience members, and they are both over 18.
Yes, we are.
Yes. Okay, so my topic is efficient versus inefficient study strategies. Studying works. So finding out how you study is study the best is an important factor of getting the most out of your brain when it comes to studying. We will go over ways to study efficiently and ways that are inefficient. This will be an informational speech. Efficient and inefficient study strategies. Being 35 years old and not having gone through high school at all, college has been difficult, to say the least. Over the last 5 years, I've definitely learned what to do and what not to do when it comes to studying. We will go over efficient and inefficient studying techniques and how to get the most out of your studying. Being kicked out of high school in the first month of my 9th grade year and then coming to college without anything but a GED, my studying habits were minimal. Now, I have been in school for almost 5 years and I am confident in my studying ability. We will discuss efficient and inefficient studying habits and strategies. According to the International Journal of Surgery Oncology, June 15, 2017, the online article titled How to Study Effectively, there are several techniques and ways to improve your studying strategies. First, we will discuss is to find different places to study. When we're constantly in the same surroundings, we're not really pushing ourselves and getting out of our comfort zone. And it's actually been proven when you move to a different location, it is proven to aid in memory. And I can attest to this because I go to the math tutoring, the learning center, and I just sit there and somehow get smarter. I swear, sometimes I could just go in there and not have to ask for a tutor. I just feel smarter sitting in there. So I can definitely attest to that because that's not where I would typically go to study. So the same study from the International Journal of Surgery explains that if you set, let me know when we're at 3 minutes, specific days for specific classes, then you are better off also. When you set days to study for specific classes, you remember you have to do this on this certain day. And I tend to set the day before a topic is due to study, or let's be honest, the day of. For some reason, I work better on a time crunch. And my study habits have shown that if I dedicate the days that I know the subjects are due, my studying is proven more efficient. And now that we spoke about efficient ways to study, we'll go over inefficient methods of studying. According to Uju Ehili and Paul Olufu with
3 minutes.
Educational Research and Reviews, March 2017 online article titled Study Habits and Its Impact on Secondary School Students' Academic Performance in Biology in the Federal Capital Territory of Abuja. Some students can study hours on end and do little for their study retention. Basically, we need to schedule time for study breaks. Take time to study, take time for breaks. Time to study, time for breaks. It's proven to keep your memory retention, meaning that you can remember more long term. And the same study, I think that I didn't write this in my notes, but they tested the same students over a period of time, the ones that had crammed and then the ones that took breaks. And the ones that took breaks were efficiently remembered things more, I think. And another option of what not to do is to not use your laptop when it is an option. A study from Jennifer Percival and Nathan Percival published December 2016, the online article titled A Case of a Laptop Learning Campus. How do technology choices affect perceptions? And it said that laptops are distractions. Actually, when used in a classroom, they can have reverse effects because of the distractions. And the typing, if you're typing notes up, is not proven as effective as taking a pen to a paper. So when you take a pen to a paper, your brain is writing out as you are reading. We went on about efficient and inefficient studying strategies. In conclusion, there are many ways to improve your study strategies and many things you can do that you can stop doing that may also help. Move around and get uncomfortable in your study spots. Don't stay in the same place. Set specific days for specific topics and classes. Don't cram. Take breaks. Don't use your laptop. Use a pen and paper. There are efficient and inefficient ways of studying. If this 35-year-old mom of teenage girls can improve her old brain methods of studying, so can you.
Woohoo! Good job.